and then you will hear that there will be no noise. And same thing you have to do is spray all over these black tires and all over here. This is good spray. Moreover, you can, if you see that chain over there, you can spray over there, and you know, like, your garage will work like very fine. And then you can spray over these hinges, all over these hinges, and this spray it's work very fine. Yeah, before my garage door was making like, you can spray over here all these hinges. Before my door was working like super hell, like not working nicely, making so much creaky noises. And you can spray over this pulley, and you can spray over this pulley too. And plus you can spray over this. You can see, yeah, you can spray over this too. And you will see, I will bet you it will work like super good. I will see if I'll able to do my garage close. See, it will not make any noise. It will not make any noise. See how fine it goes. Not making any noise. Again I will open. See, it is not making any noise. Before, oh my goodness, it was hell open. Alright guys, take care of yourself. Bye bye.